Choking kind. Oh, the thing is, we only know certain things. So, and I can't remember any of it. But what's the choking line? I only meant to love. Didn't you know it, baby? Didn't you know it? And why couldn't you be content with the love I gave? Oh, yeah. I gave you my heart. That's you guys. Yeah, like that. But you, we'll learn that later. Cool? Happy?